Hello, my name is Jimmy and today we're going to take a look at this, the 2021 Toyota Highlander. And we're going to check out if it can family. I have the Clek Liing, a Clek Foonf, as well as a Clek Flow. And we're going to see if the Highlander can fit 3 across. So let's check it out. Alright, the back seat of the Highlander. This is of course the bench version, not the captain chairs variant. So I actually have the Foonf installed here on the passenger side. I got the Flow installed in the center. As you can see, I got the Liing on the driver's side. So yes, it can fit 3 across, but probably only for Clek because these seats are quite narrow, and because of the way that they're designed, they can fit 3 across. So if you have other brands of seats, this video may not apply. So get yourself a Clek. In any case, the Foonf here is installed very nicely. There's 2 sets of lower anchors in this vehicle, one on the driver's side here and one on the passenger side. For the base of the Liing, I actually didn't use the lower anchors, but instead I used the seatbelt method. So that way I'm able to push the seat a little bit over towards the door. So that way it creates a little bit more space between the Liing and the Flow. In terms of upper anchors, there are 4 sets on this vehicle, 3 across the middle and 1 in the rear. So yes, you can definitely turn these seats around when it's time and put your seats in the forward-facing position. Let me show you how to put the Liing in just to see exactly how much room there is. In terms of getting the Liing into the seat, definitely not difficult at all. As you can see, there's plenty of room. Yes, it's a little tight to have 3 across, but it certainly is feasible. Let's take a look at the trunk. And in terms of trunk space, there's plenty of room, as you can see. If you have 3 across, chances is you won't be using the 3rd row, but even behind the 3rd row, there's enough space for my babies and yo-yo. As you can see, fits perfectly back here. There's still plenty of space behind the 3rd row for you to put your stroller or whatever else. But that's really it. So, can the 2021 Toyota Highlander family? Absolutely it can. I have 3 child seats across, the Flow, the Foonf, as well as the Liing. That's amazing. It really is. And the Highlander, honestly, it's a very multi-purpose vehicle for you and your family. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below and we'll catch you next time. Take care.